All right, traders, just a very quick one here, a trade recap on this particular trade we together took this morning. I said we took it together because I actually shared it in the Telegram channel right here before taking the trade. I woke up in the morning around 7 a.m. Nigerian time, and that is exactly 7 a.m. London time. So I woke up at that time and I saw an opportunity. I shared it in the Telegram channel right there for you guys to partake in the opportunity. I say, hello guys, this is what I'm looking at this morning on Euro USD. I shared it in the Telegram channel. Now, every time I make a post in the channel, you will see somewhere you can comment. If you click on that comment, you have access to make comments, and then it will take you to the group I linked with the channel. This is the group right here. Can you see? In this group, a lot of people are sharing their analysis. You can see, you can interact. Even if I'm not around, you can interact in this group. So you can simply join directly through that. So this is how I took the trade, and then I shared two different trades actually. Let me show you. This was the first one, then we hit our target, and this was the second one. Even though I did not take this one, I will show you why I didn't take it, but some people actually got into the trade because I could see the comments from people right here. They are making a lot of comments that they have badged in, they have made money. You can actually see this guy have actually entered the trade too, I think, this guy. So a lot of people are getting this right here. So this is it. Right here, you can actually see that I woke up at exactly 7 a.m. and this is the 15-minute time frame. I started from the 1 hour time frame. What gave me the confidence that Euro USD is going to be bearish was because I checked DXY in the daily time frame. That's the dollar index. I checked DXY. Let's see how it goes. And I saw DXY is bullish on the daily time frame. Please get it correctly. Why is it bullish? I saw this volume imbalance right above here, and that is a very perfect point of interest for price. If price is going to trade into this volume imbalance, that means DXY is going to be bullish. And if DXY is bullish, then foreign currencies are going to be bearish. This was my basis for taking the trade. Now, if you're watching this video from other platforms, you would like to come to my YouTube channel and get more detailed videos on all these things. So look at this. Coming back to all right, so this was where I got the confidence. And why not GBP USD but Euro USD? I will show you the reason. Everything I did before taking the trade will be in detail in this particular video. So this was the trade I took. Let's see it load up right here. I hope it's here. So I saw market traded after breaking structure right here in the 1 hour time frame. This was the 1 hour time frame. I saw a break of structure, or what we call a shifting market structure right here. It's not a break of structure because this was an uptrend shifting structure, and then I did that gauging momentum principle, knowing the rhythm of the market. I saw my point of interest, and then this was the point of interest price is coming to, and I saw a shifting structure right here. Now give me another pull up to a point of interest, any of the PD-ARRAYs that I saw a breaker block, and then right above it there is a fair value gap right there, a fair value gap right here, and I was seeing this retracement coming up. Okay, I saw this shifting structure. I was waiting for price to come because this was exactly what I did. Let's see it. I was waiting for that push up to come in, and this was exactly the trade. You know, this is it before taking the trade. Okay, so this, I saw it here. As I was seeing this coming back, I could still go back to the lower time frame. That was the 1 minute time frame. If that particular fair value gap is going to return price, or that particular breaker block is going to return price, I want to see a shift in market structure in the direction of the trade I want to enter. That means I want to see a shift in structure in this bearish direction. That is the simple principle. I actually show you this because hence I'm going to be posting some of the analysis before taking the trade in the Telegram channel, except if I'm not taking trade. Like the month of August, I did not see time to enter trade because the chart was so rowdy, haywire, whipsaws everywhere. So this was the reason why I didn't take trade. Look at this. The coming back is this that I saw. Everything that I was teaching you, nothing else that is new here. So this was what I saw. I saw this trade coming back to the point of interest. This is a breaker, this is a fair value gap, and price respected the breaker. Quite okay. In the PD-ARRAY, breaker comes before a fair value gap, but I want to see the momentum being lessened, or I want to see a shift in structure, and this was where I saw the shift in market structure right at this point. Can you see? And I said, okay, price is about to crash now. Instead of me entering here, I decided to enter from here, this point. If price is coming back, if you're willing to go down, come back and take me in. And that was when I even updated you guys in the group that I have entered the trade. I wish I can see the comment I've made. Quite a number of comments right here. I can't trace that exact comment. I actually told you guys that I'm in the trade. For those of you that have been following, you should know that was what happened. So I saw price come back, and then it took me in. Okay, it took me in at that exact point, and then I was in the trade. At some point, I sent you an update that you can secure your position. That means you can break even. My stop loss was about 7 pips or thereabout. Yes, was about 7 pips. Exactly 7 pips I get. And my target was about 20 pips, but I ended up with just 19 pips. Okay, so that was the trade I took. So I saw the trade happening, and then halfway the movement, I told you to secure your position, and some of you move your position to that place, and then I saw the trade actually gave me that 19 pips in the movement. Okay, that's pretty much easy and simple, straightforward. You saw everything I did. And then the reason why I selected Euro USD initially was because I saw this thing. If you go to Euro GBP, this is something that has to do with correlation, normal correlation. If you go to Euro GBP, you will discover that Euro is stronger than GBP. That means GBP is very weak. It's very weak. And in the rule of correlation, I don't compare a weak currency with a strong currency, because I will not have a retracement in it. A strong currency, I will not have a retracement in it. I would rather compare a strong currency or a weak currency with a neutral currency. So I consider Euro to be a neutral currency when I saw this. So I decided to use the Euro USD entry. So this was my logic behind it. And then I also call out a trade after the news came out. A news came out in the morning about Euro, and that was the reason why I even closed my trade earlier. I actually showed you that I'm about to close my trade right here. Where was that? I actually updated you guys. Said news coming in shortly, and this is just a short-term trade. I will be closing. I told you that before closing. So I call out a trade on GBP USD again, even though I didn't take the trade because of my money management discipline. So I saw this. Let me show you that. I saw price giving me a very, very good bias right here. I saw this particular fair value gap after the rundown. I saw this fair value gap right here. And then right above the fair value gap, there is this particular breaker block. Which of this one is price going to use? And then somebody actually said that, should we now consider fair value gap as a stronger point of interest or institutional reference point than a breaker block? That's not the point. If you watched my video about this, rhythm of the market, you will understand why this is. You see, there is a confluence here. This is an old low. This is a fair value gap. This is institutional order flow entry drill type 2 that has happened here. It's something you can find that on my YouTube channel. I've taught that before. So this is it. Look at this. You can see confluence of a fair value gap and old low right there, and then there is a breaker right there. So I actually posted right here before trade started doing anything. This was when I posted it. I was seeing it coming, and then this was the entire thing, but I didn't enter the trade because as price was coming, I was waiting for this retracement to give me a shift in structure. If this fair value gap is going to respect price, please show me a shift in structure. And this was where this thing happened. Can you see this guy? when I saw this movement, I consider this to be a shifting structure because of this short-term movement, and it's close to shifting market structure. But as this thing shifted structure, this was what happened. It shifted structure right on this candle. If I were to enter, I would target this particular breaker block, and then I was waiting for it to come back. Price didn't come back, or it just ran away. Quite okay. Some of you entered the trade, but I just let it be. And this is one aspect of trading discipline and psychology. It's one aspect of trading discipline and psychology. I didn't enter the trade. Some of you entered the trade, and it's a very, very good trade. Almost about 25 pips trade. Okay, you will always consider this area. I call it a stoppage. You will always consider it because that's where price will have difficulty of breaking down to. So I didn't enter the trade because price didn't come back to my area, and that is the rule of trading. So just follow through all these things I'm teaching you. You're going to see a lot of trading opportunity, guys. You're going to make a lot of money with these concepts. They are not difficult to understand, just simple concepts. Then you will learn and you will make money from what you've learned. Thank you guys for watching. In case you've learned something here, make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. See you in another video.